Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to find people on Cara app. So it's really easy and short tutorial. So what you need to do, you need to tap here the search button. So in the bottom part of your screen, I'm just going to tap on the search button, and wait a second, and then you have to type the people you're going, or you can find randomly. Like for example, I'm just type Martin, or if you have the username, then you can find. I'm just going to enter. So tap on the people, then you will get all people here the name Martin, so it will be appeared as soon as possible. So you can see you'll get all the Martin user here. So this way you can find the people. So the other way, if you know someone user ID, then you have to copy it here. Then it's really easy, you can find them easily. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.